Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Wix domain with Hostinger. We'll cover the essential steps to ensure your website points to the correct hosting provider. First, we'll look at the two main methods for this connection, focusing on the simpler name server approach. Then, I'll guide you through finding the necessary details within your Hostinger account. This process is straightforward and will help you manage your online presence effectively. To begin, you'll need to find your Hostinger name servers. Log into your Hostinger H panel, which is your control panel. Once inside, look for the Domains or Hosting section. Here, you will find the specific name server details associated with your hosting plan. There are typically two distinct name server addresses, such as ns1.dnsparking.com and ns2.dnsparking.com. Make sure to write these down accurately. A stable internet connection is vital for a lag-free PUBG Mobile experience. Ensure you have a strong cellular signal, ideally 3 or 4 bars, before starting a match. Playing in an area with good network coverage, perhaps near a window, can make a big difference. Moving around too much can cause signal fluctuations, leading to frustrating lag spikes or even disconnections during critical moments in the game. After updating the name servers in Wix, it's crucial to understand that these changes need time to propagate across the internet. This process can take anywhere from a few minutes to up to 24 hours. You can use online DNS lookup tools to verify that your domain is now pointing to Hostinger's name servers. Remember to clear your browser's cache to see the updated website content. Finally, confirm your site loads correctly from Hostinger's servers.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.